Hello, good morning. Welcome to Courtmy's YouTube channel. This morning I'll be taking you through a typical site plan, how it's supposed to be, and what you're seeing is a site plan of a cement factory. And each structures have been located in this site plan using coordinates, and each structures have its different level. So let's go through the site plan. Now this is the entrance. This is the entrance, the in and out of the factory. Now we come in here. This is the way bridge, and before then outside the fence we have the admin area, and inside, when you're inside this way bridge where the trailers are being weighed before in and out of the factory. Now this way down to the parking plant. This parking plant, this is the area in which the trucks park to load cement for dispatching. Just this like the final production area. Now these three circular structures are cement silo. This is where the raw material, the finished product cement are being stored in the silo. Now this is the cement mill grinding, where the cement are being milled and grinded into smooth powder before conveyor belts move them to the cement silo. Now this is the mechanical and electrical workshop. This is the canteen that will take the needs. That's the canteen. Now this is the clinker silo, the silo in which clinker are being stored. Now let's move to this place. This is the CCR, the central control room, in which all the electrical, mechanical works are being controlled from the central control room. And this one is the rotary kiln that burns the raw material, that converts the raw material to clinker. Now this is the raw silo, in which the raw material are being stored. Now this is the project office for both the client and the contractor. Now let's move down to this place. These are the portable water towers, in which waters are being kept. Now this is a conveyor belt that links down to mines, where the raw material are being gotten, and then they'll be conveyed through this conveyor belt down to the mixed storage. And these are the mixed storage. The capacity is 4,200 tons. You can see the level there is 154.8. Just as I told you that each structures have its own level on the site plan. And this is the power plant, which will power the whole site. Now we have the name of the structures, the department number, and their code. You can see these are the code of all the structures on site. And this is the legend or note specification that's been given by the architect that has to be followed. And this the legends for the road, and also the clear and lateral storage shade, and you can see the contour lines all over. You can see the coordinates. So many things. This is just a good example of how the site plan is supposed to look like. This is all about engineering. Good morning. Thank you.